Hello, teacher. This is my first memory when I was child. I remember when I was 10 years old, it was Christmas, and a few days ago, I had written my letter to Santa Claus, in which I asked for a special doll. That day, my mother told me it was time to go to bed, because Santa Claus only gave gifts to sleeping children on Christmas Eve. To be honest, it was so hard to fall asleep because I was so excited to receive my gift. The next morning, my mom started delivering them, but until then, nothing for me. And I started crying because only one gift was left under the tree of Christmas, and I was hoping it was for me. When I unwrapped it, it was so happy that I never thought my gift was a Barbie. Another special memory was when I was in 3rd grade. My parents told me that if I was the best student in that grade, we would go to a town to have fun. I remember that it was a great challenge for me because I was not a good student at that stage, but I decided to study hard because I wanted to jump into the pool. For the first time, of course. At the end, I reached that goal, and it was great to spend time with my family. And I showed myself that if you want to do it, you can do it. Thank you.